darling, and welcome to my bedroom. On this beautiful day, I'm showing you my skincare routine as well as a very sweet and cute and easy pink Japanese style makeup. Let's get to it. First, I'm starting by cleansing my face. After I take a toner, I spray it all over my face and neck and dab gently on my face to wake up the muscles. It's very refreshing in the morning. For the third step, I use my 3 serums from Iron Skin. Let me show you how it works. Iron sent me this package in which there is 3 serums and a vaporizer. It's a vegan made in Japan brand, and all 6 of their products are made from natural components. It's such a perfect brand for fragile skin like mine. So I take the 3 serums that I chose, Skin Perfecting, Glow Getter, and an acne solution, and pour them in this little bottle. I mix it up and pour it in the vaporizer and it's ready. I also use the acne serum sometimes when I need to do more targeted treatment. Then I get spraying. After the serums, I put my acne spot treatment for the day. Make sure all your products are dry before moving on to the next step. After that, I put my day moisturizer. This is a good occasion to do a little face massage so that the products penetrate well and my skin becomes supple. Finally, don't forget the sunscreen if you're gonna go outside. It's very important, and even if you have darker skin like me, make sure the SPF is high. It's not because you have dark skin that the sun will damage it. And we're done for the skincare. Let's move on to a natural Japanese-inspired makeup to complete the look and be ready to go for summer. Obviously, this is gonna be a no foundation look so that we can show off our beautiful glowy skin. I also don't like wearing foundation if I'm gonna sweat, so we go right ahead with the concealer and a little flat brush to be more precise about the placement and not to have too much product. I put it under my eyes and on the outer part of my eyes and nose, chin and dark spots. Then we move on to the contour. I put that on my nose, under my mouth and on the outer part of my face. Let's get to the eyes. I take this red orange shade and apply it lightly on the upper lid and a little bit on the lower part too. Then I take this white beige shade and apply it on the inner part of my eye and on the middle of the tear bag. Lastly, I take a flat angled brush and dip it in some dark brown shade to apply it in the way you would apply eyeliner, on the whole upper part and a little bit under the T-bag to make it pop a little more. Be careful not to put too much shadow, it's still a natural look. Okay, we're done with the eyes. For the eyebrows, I take my BTS Stay It Eyebrow Duo, brush my brows and define them a little more, but not too much. For the blush, I take my watercolor blush in color Pink Ballet from VT Cosmetic always and put it in the middle of my cheek on the flat area just under my eyes in a triangular shape. Then I tap all over with my finger. For the lips, I use a little bit of the Glow Getter serum to hydrate them and heal them. Then take a shade on my eyeshadow palette, which is similar to my cheek blush but in a darker tone. Finally, I apply a little bit more of the blush from earlier, and I apply it with my finger so that it's easy to blend and it stays very soft. Finally, I set everything with my VT setting spray and I try it again. And there we go. I hope you enjoyed this little skincare and makeup video. If you did, remember to like and subscribe and even turn the notification bell on and leave a comment if you want. Thank you for watching, my little cherry, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.